Today we're taking a look at Water's Edge. Water's Edge is just south of the downtown area of Eastport, and it is northeast of Shady Brook. You are, again, just like Wellpoint, which we put that video out yesterday, and we've done several videos on these areas. Wellpoint and Water's Edge are extremely similar in that they're close to downtown Eastport. Water's Edge is obviously closer because it's across the street, and but you also have Shady Brook Recreation, Saluki Recreation, Water's Edge Recreation, and then you're going to have live entertainment in Eastport. You also have Middleton the opposite way, which is the family housing area. This area is under crazy construction right now. They're building houses like wildfire in this area, and they're closing up Shady Brook. Some of this is also Shady Brook. It's up to or split by Bar Boulevard, which goes all the way up into that Wellpoint area, and a lot of this is Shady Brook area. So the difference between the two is just a little bit of a line, but you have Shady Brook and Water's Edge. Anyways, both of these areas south of Eastport, Shady Brook is pretty much almost done. And then Water's Edge, there's several homes done in this area as well, and the walls are up. There is a power line that runs all the way across Central Parkway, or not across Central Parkway, but along Central Parkway all the way through, and that is just south of Eastport as well. The entrance to Water's Edge is just south of Eastport as well. A lot of golf in this area, and a lot of dining, entertainment. There will be a bunch of retail in Eastport as well. Bar Boulevard goes all the way through Water's Edge, Shady Brook, into Moultrie Creek, across and into, I don't know if Bar Boulevard goes across into Middleton, but it goes into that Middleton area. The entrance of Shady Brook is straight ahead of us. You can see south how big that area is going to be. You can't even see the end of where the villages owns currently. So here's that Water's Edge area that I was talking about, and this is a little bit more north, just slightly, kind of northeast of Shady Brook, and you can see Eastport there in the background. You can see the Eastport Hotel right there in the middle of the screen. Wellpoint and some of those others like LaGrange and Edenfield are up in that area as well. And that's why I constantly talk about their building from Shady Brook north, and then Water's Edge obviously right here is next. And then you have Wellpoint is on the northern edge of Eastport, and they're building south from that area, which is incredible. The speed, I mean, you guys see it all the time in the videos, not only on my channel, but all the other channels that are doing videos. You see the speed with which they build. I just did a video in this area a week ago, and it is incredibly crazy. Some of these, just these foundations and how crazy fast they get them up and the walls built. But that's because they have those precast walls, and you see the crane there, and they just tilt them up. And I believe there's like 5 guys on a crew. I've done a video on that in the past. So here's that area just south of Eastport, south of Central Parkway. And if you're looking this way, you can see the Water's Edge Recreation Center kind of right in the middle of the screen. We're going to fly toward it, kind of over it. And that's the mail center where if you live in this area, you'll pick up your mail. They do have a pool and a few other activities that you can do there also. That's for residents only. You can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But that's that area there you see. And then you have the construction behind it with those houses going up. Another crazy fast area. Like just a few weeks ago, these houses weren't complete down here. And I mean, the interior is not complete, but the outside, the roofs and all that, aside from the paint, it's incredible how fast they get them up. You will see actually in a video later this week how Eastport is moving right along. And I mean downtown Eastport. You can see some of the construction and the design and how the design is coming through actually in the Eastport area in that video. So they do have cottage homes in this area. The cottage homes are 2 and 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, vinyl siding, residential lanai, laminate countertops, open kitchen, interior home site architectural shingles, it says, 1, 1.5, and 2-car garages, island and kitchen, and some of those. It actually says smart home ready, which is, I know that they have smart homes obviously in the villages. It is 2025, but that's interesting. I always like to see that. And then you also have designer homes in the villages, and the designer homes are 3 and 4 bedroom floor plans, and you have 3 and 2-car garages. And this is obviously in the Eastport area. Walk-in showers, volume ceilings, very similar to Wellpoint. Like I said, these designer homes, you can also add a pool on the back, indoor and outdoor living. They're crafted to offer generous living spaces. This is right off the village's website. So they'll have bigger houses, like 3 and 4 bedroom. They'll have 2 and 3 bedroom. They'll have all kinds of stuff in there. And you're going to have the Olympia Rec Center, Saluki Rec Center, Shady Brook Rec Center. And then very close, you're going to have the Shallow Creek golf course, which is a championship. You'll have Beautyberry Executive, Honeysuckle Executive, plus tons of others that aren't on that list as well in the golf area. I like this area because it is close to Eastport, and also you can go right up to 470 and get on the turnpike. It's also close to Mulberry Grove, where they have Publix and all that kind of stuff. And I would be shocked, absolutely shocked, if you don't see something the opposite way on the other side of Middleton. They just bought property not too long ago at the corner of 470 and 301, and I would assume that's going to be some kind of shopping plaza. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and give me a subscribe. It's totally free to you. Drop a comment. Tell me what you'd like to see, and I will see you in the next one.